At Origin Acoustics, we are focusing on every single detail of the loudspeaker. None of this stuff is off the shelf. You're not going to find these anywhere else. Some 20 unique patents have been created specifically to cover all of the innovations that have taken place on these loudspeakers. Be it the DPSD tweeter, or the X-Wave surround that absorbs resonances that run up and down the cone of the woofer. Be it the unique mounting system, either the zip clip system or the spring lock system that is toolless and saves every installer time when they go out and put this product in the wall or in the ceiling. Each one of these products has been built from the ground up with you in mind to make sure that we give you the absolute best product with the absolute highest sound quality available anywhere. That's what you get when you buy Origin Acoustics.